Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. In today's video, I'm doing a comparison between two As I Am products, but I'm going to talk about my hair first. It's not really refreshed. I've just put in very little water on my hair. So I'm going to be using these two As I Am products to refresh my hair on camera with you. Before I start refreshing my hair, I'm going to show you the two As I Am products that I do have with me. I bought these two because I've seen them on the shelves and I always wonder, what are they for? Should I buy both or should I just buy one? So the one that I have on this side is the As I Am So Much Moisture Hydrating Lotion, and the other one that I have here is the As I Am Moisture Milk Daily Hair Revitalizer. So as I said, do you need both and what's the difference? Before I start refreshing my hair and applying these two products, I'm going to insert a clip because on my wash day, I did apply the So Much Moisture on one side, and I also added the Moisture Milk on the other side as well during my wash day or at the end of my wash day. And then now I'm going to use it again. What I can tell you is that the So Much Moisture, which is the hydrating lotion, is Curly Girl approved and the Moisture Milk isn't. So that's the first difference between the two. Now let's read the instructions as to how do we use them. So let's start off with the So Much Moisture. It says hydration and softness. You have to feel to believe. When it comes to the directions, this is what it says. Apply to palms and distribute throughout either damp or dry hair. My hair I did in the insert was wet and now my hair is damp. Then it says to add volume to your hairstyle, apply to the root area and gently lift with a styling pick. Then it says for extra moisture, apply prior to using As I Am styling products. Maybe use daily to refresh, style, and alleviate dryness. So I did this prior to styling for the moisture, and I'm going to refresh it as well. It's also good that it gives us a tip for volume as well. So this one is Curly Girl approved, and that's the first difference. Now let's move on to the Moisture Milk. This one says that it's an oil-rich lotion for lustrous, well-behaved hair. And the directions say rub a small amount within the palms and scrunch into hair gently so that coils and curls are undisturbed. Okay, so they both can be used to refresh. They're both for moisture. One's Curly Girl approved and one isn't. Let's go into the texture. What do they look like? Let's start with the So Much Moisture. The pump is another difference. So let's put some in the pump. The consistency is liquid. It's very liquidy. Smells like all the As I Am products. So in terms of smell, they both smell the same. It's a clear color. Very light. Very soft. And I'm just going to put this on this side of my hair as I'm refreshing. It literally melts into your hair. This is the type of product for me, if there's a flyaway, I think it will work really well because of the consistency. It's very liquidy and it's very much like a water or watery consistency. I can see how this would really help with refreshing my hair in the morning and also adding moisture. I applied the product on my wash day. It's the next day. So in terms of moisture, my hair is really nice and soft. It's day 2 here. So I can also see why I can actually pick this side as well, you know, at my roots for more moisture. So I really kind of get the particular product. Now let's talk about the Moisture Milk. The difference, it doesn't have a pump. So we've got to squeeze this out. Different color, different texture. This is more of a cream, but it's a very light cream as well. So if I rub this in the palm of my hands, it has a creamy kind of color. It's not white, it's more of like a beige kind of color. And I can scrunch this into my hair and I can see immediately this is something that I would scrunch, whereas the other product is something that I would smooth through my hair. So I can see why scrunching this in and helping to separate your curls so that they aren't disturbed at all. Also, when it comes to moisture, I applied it on my wash day. My hair is still nice and soft. So guys, I'm going to go into the bathroom and I'm going to finish up refreshing my hair. I hope it looks okay. I'm not really sure what it's looking like at the moment on camera, but I thought I'll just show you like the differences between these two products. I thought I'll just show you guys the differences between these two products. I love As I Am products. I really do. It's no secret. And these two are different. For me personally, which one do I like? I honestly don't know. Because for me personally, they both are not must-have products, because if I'm going to refresh my hair or add some moisture, I'll just add the product that, or the styling product that I have in my hair at the moment. But let me just say this, guys. I do have the As I Am styling product in my hair. So this is just me using a whole lot of different As I Am products. Sorry that I didn't mention it. If you do want to know what styling product is in my hair, I do have the As I Am styling products, and I'm going to do a separate video on that as well. So I just thought it works well using As I Am on As I Am on As I Am products. I'm not advocating to use the entire line, which I personally have, but just to let you know, that's what's in my hair at the moment. These are not must-haves, but I like both of them. I would buy this one month and buy the other one another month. I don't really have a personal favorite when it comes to either one of them. They both will just be more of luxury purchases for me personally. That's it, guys. I'm just going to finish off my hair a little bit in front of the mirror. I hope you enjoyed this video of me talking about these two products from As I Am. Drop your comments down below. Which one do you personally like? Which one have you tried? I like both of them. So let's talk in the comments, and I'll see you guys again. Bye.